Hi there, my name is Jimena Galeano. I am 30 years old. I live in Bogota City and I am studying food engineering. Here a little bit of my biography. Next.
What dream would you like to fulfill in 10 years?
Okay, I would like to be the food engineering and I am going to specialize in another country.
Where would you live in 10 years?
Okay. Um, if I am not abroad, I will have, I would like to have my own house and in our place with a lot of peace and quiet.
What job would you have?
I would like to be the director of a food plant or start my own business.
What are your goals with your partner in 10 years?
We will independent and we will have a good income to provide the best education for our son.
Are you planning to have a brother or sister for your son?
No, I prefer to have only one child and he will be the light of our lives. This is a small part of my long-term plans. Thank you very much for your attention and see you later. Goodbye.